Hi everyone, kumusta po kayo? My name is Anne and welcome to the day 10 of 90 Days Go Run Success Challenge. Today's topic is tips are inspiring entrepreneur. There are several tips I will give to someone new in the business, and the biggest and the first, don't give up if mahirapan na, just keep going. Second tip ay ang bawat isa ay matututo sa iba't ibang bilis, kaya sundin mo ang bagay na iyong takbo, huwag magmadali dahil karaniwang ito ay magdudulot at pagkakamali. The third tip ay ang business ay lumalaki sa iba't ibang bilis sa iba't ibang tao. Just because someone did it 1 month, 4 months, other several months, or even years to truly build a successful business. Fourth, embrace the learning, follow them step by step, and learn from example. Fifth, don't get discouraged from failure, turn it into a learning experience. Sixth would be to be adaptable. Ang mga bagay ay nagbabago, hindi laging para sa kabutihan, ngunit mag-adjust at baguhin ang iyong business, lumago at mag-expand. 7. Don't just look for big wins, celebrate even the small ones. And 8. Would always define your why at what and why, panatilihin ang dahilan sa unahan ng iyong gawain sa inyong business. What are your goals you have to set for your business? Kung ito ay mananatiling nasa iyong isipan habang ginagawa mo iyong business, ito ay lumilikha ng isang malakas na puwersa, loob mo na matutulak sa iyong business success. Thank you for following all the likes and supported comments, and look forward to seeing you tomorrow for day 11 of this challenge.